Hi, my name is Brandon Gorton. I'm the CRM Practice Director here at JourneyTEAM. JourneyTEAM is a trusted Microsoft partner for dynamic CRM solutions of all varieties. And today I'm going to be talking about Viva Sales and how it is integrated into Outlook, and also kind of how it does Viva Sales fit into the ecosystem of Microsoft products. So I'm going to start off. I'm going to be showcasing how Viva Sales works inside of Outlook. And I'm showcasing the web client, but this also works inside of the desktop application as well. So here we can see I have an email and I have some content here kind of requesting interest and kind of response related to a limited edition colorway for a shoe or sneaker, as well as a number of products that I would like to buy. And also an estimated close date is kind of what I'm referring to. So when it comes to Viva Sales, I can come over here and I can click on the ellipses. And then obviously this would be a little bit different in the desktop client. It'd be in the ribbon bar, but I can click on Viva Sales and then I can get my add and pop out. And then from here, Viva Sales will give me a number of different options. And today I'm going to be showcasing I'm going to be showcasing some of these options to describe the email that you would like, make a proposal, as well as address a concern. So I'm going to start off and I'm going to showcase as far as describe the email that you would like to respond to this. So I can come in here and I can give it some suggestions. I can say respond with a, I'm gonna say proposal to keep it simple. Respond with a proposal related to products, offerings, and a discount. And then we'll let Viva Sales, fueled by Copilot and ChatGPT, generate the content of that email message for me. And so here we can see that this is what it generated for me. I didn't have to do any of this. It gives me kind of a warm response as far as thank you for reaching out. It also kind of discusses the discounts that we could possibly make. Now, granted, it's not pulling this information dynamically from anywhere. It's giving some suggestions as far as what we can offer. And then also it can identify the cost for purchasing those number of sneakers. So that's kind of one of the powerful examples. And I can copy this text, I can add it into a reply, and then I can also start the reply and then open up Viva Sales as well. So what that looks like is I can come in here, I can say I want to reply to this email message, and then I get this prompt up here at the top related to Viva Sales. And I can say I want to try this now. And when I come into my options as far as the type of email that I would like to draft, I can select make a proposal from here. And it's going to give me some different options down here in the bottom. Instead of copying the text, it's going to say, it can copy the text into the email, copy to email. So from here, I get some options that are a little bit different than to describe the email that I would want. So all of these blue items, this is dynamic content coming from my source of truth, right? My Dynamics 365 CRM system, or this can also be hooked up into Salesforce. So this is showing me that, hey, this contact is coming from Dynamics. I could come in here and I could select these, the 30 Nike Air Jordans, and I can see where it's pulling that information. I can see it's pulling it from an opportunity product line inside of my CRM system. And then I'll just click on a couple more of these. You can see it's pulling it from opportunities, and then it's also identified this data point down here where the source is Outlook, right? Based on information from my calendar and my availability. So it's kind of giving me some prompt as far as what I would like to do. I can copy this to my email and I can modify it as necessary here. And then I am in a good position, right? I didn't have to draft this email entirely myself. I can just tweak an email that was crafted for me by Copilot and Viva Sales. The next option I want to show is address a concern. So when I click on this one, the type of content it's going to generate for me is a little bit different than the type of content that Make a Proposal generated for me. So here you can see that the email body is a little different. And what's also kind of cool is that I have information coming from 3 different types of records inside of the CRM system. So I got Brandon coming from my contact. I got JourneyTEAM associated from an account that is the account associated with my contact, as well as I got my estimated close date from an opportunity that this thinks that the AI thinks it is associated to, as well as Outlook and then my opportunity product lines. So this can be really cool as far as it gives you some different options as far as how you can generate your email content, and then also to showcase as far as the data points and the type of data that the AI is pulling from inside of your CRM system. So this tool, Viva Sales, is available. The setup and configuration is very simple, very basic, and it can begin kind of helping your end users and or yourself get time back by being able to create a foundational email from which you can modify and adjust and respond back to your customers, to your internal employees, so on and so forth.